millions of years, mankind lived just like the animals. Then something happened, which unleashed the power of our imagination. We learned to talk.
There's a silence surrounding me. I can't seem to think straight. I sit in the corner and no one can bother me. I think I should speak now.
Why won't you talk to me?
I can't seem to speak now.
You'll never talk to me.
My words won't come out right.
What are you thinking?
I feel like I'm drowning.
What are you feeling?
I'm feeling weak now.
Why won't you talk to
But I
me?
can't show my weakness.
You'll never talk to me.
I sometimes wonder,
What are you thinking?
where do we go from here?
What are you feeling?
It doesn't have to be like this. All we need to do is make sure we keep talking.
Why won't you talk to
I feel like I'm drowning.
You'll never talk to me.
No, I can't breathe now.
What are you thinking?
We're going nowhere.
What are you feeling?
We're going nowhere.
Why won't you talk to me? You'll never talk to me. What are you thinking? Where do we go from
It doesn't have to be like this. All we need to do is make sure we keep talking.